Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at the new AI browser from Perplexity, which is called as the Comet Browser. As you can see here, I am just at the open page of the browser. This will be the home page. You see many options here. If you want to set Comet as the default, you can set here. Even if you want to log into any of your account like Google account or Apple account, or if you want to create your new account, you can also sign up using this option. Currently I'm not going to use the option. I'm just going to use it without signing in. And as you can see here, there is an option to have the assistant. So by default this assistant will be disabled, so you need to click here to enable this option. So this is the basic Comet homepage, right? To look at some of the features, as you can see, we have the assistant here, as I just mentioned, and we have the chat here, AI chat here, in which you can ask whatever you want, which is based on the Perplexity AI chatbot. Right, and then we have some quick links here, right? For example, these are all the ones which is given by default. For example, if you want to add a note for your quick reference, you can add here, right? So create Comet video, something like that you can add, which you can refer for just like a sticky note, right? Which you can use it. And there is information about stock value here. I think this is based on the US exchange, right? And there are also a few more websites. And below this, you see some links, right? Like YouTube, and you have another link, and you have Google accounts link. So these are the links that you browsed before in the browser. So it is showing in the bottom. So these features are basically new for the for a browser. Normally in a AI browser we don't see things like this, right? So which is really good. And as you know, OpenAI also has a browser which is called as Atlas, which is still not available for Windows, which is available only for MacBook. Hence, I'm doing this video on Comet, which is available on both Mac and as well as PC. Okay, so now let's move on to how to use this browser, right? For example, let me go to youtube.com, right? So I go here, and it will show the YouTube page. You can search on any topic. Okay, I'm just choosing AI and cybersecurity. Right, so this is like a normal browser, right? It will list down all the videos related to the topic. Now I'm just going to choose one topic. Let me choose this TEDx talk, which is just I'm using a random video, right? And when I choose this video, right here, you can ask anything, right? So for example, if you just click on the ask anything place, you see different options the browser itself shows. So for example, you want to summarize this video, you can just click on summarize this video, and it will summarize the whole video for you, right? So similarly, you can ask whatever you want, right? Based on this video, you can even ask question about this video. You can create FAQs from this video. So I mean, for example, let us say you have a 1 hour video, okay, and you don't want to go through all the video in a linear fashion, right? And you want to do it in a quick way, right? What you do is you just create the summary, and just go through the summary, ask questions, right? You want specific information, you don't need to go through the complete video, ask questions. So instead of watching the video for 1 hour, probably you can complete in maybe 5 or 10 minutes and understand the whole content about the video, right? So this is one example of how you can use the AI browser. And secondly, if you can see, this is just an example. So this is applicable for any website. You can go to any website some other website, and you can also ask the assistant in the same way. For example, you can ask about different options available and different features available in that website, and it will answer you, right? You don't need to go through the complete website. For example, if you want to know the pricing of particular product in that website, you can just ask Comet and it will give you the answer directly. Okay, this is one of the thing which you can use Comet browser, which is really an exciting feature which is not available in the normal browsers, right? And okay, let me let me show you another feature which is available. So let us go to amazon.in. Okay, so I'm just going to the Indian website of Amazon. Here I just want to purchase a Bluetooth headphone. Okay, so I just click on Bluetooth headphone. Let me see the different options. Okay, so let me choose this one. Okay, the Bluetooth headphone. Now I'm going to ask Comet to place an order of this product. Okay, so I'm going to ask, can you place order for this product from Amazon? Okay, so actually I'm not logged into Amazon, but if you log into Amazon, it will take directly address and everything. I'm not logged in yet, but let's see what it is doing. So basically what it should do is, it has to take this product, right? It has to add to the cart, and then it should place the order, right? Of course it will ask you for the confirmation. Once you confirm, it will ask you for the payment details and it will place the order. So this is this is something which may look very straightforward. See, if you see here, we go to the page called proceed to buy, where you can directly click on proceed to buy and you can order the product, right? But you don't need to go this way, right? You can just put in the the chat directly to purchase any product, right? And it will directly purchase it. You don't need to even go to a specific product, right? So it will select the right product for you. You can mention which brand you want, which model you want. It will directly do it, and it will also confirm, ask for your confirmation. Okay, see here we are at the sign in. Since I'm not signed into it, it is actually asking me for the sign in options. So I have to enter my email address and I need to sign in before it can proceed to buy this. Okay, so by this way it can even order. By this way you can book anything. You can book your favorite hotels, you can do any kind of shopping, online shopping on any website, right? You can compare between different websites and choose the one with the least price, right? So by this way, this is another example, and people can also use it for, if you're an investor and if you want to invest in stock market, you don't need to even be awake all the time. You can use it as an AI agent and try to place the order when the market value is less. So there are so many use cases, right, which can be used. This is almost like an AI agent for you, which is a browser agent which can help you to automate many of the tasks. It works exactly like an AI agent, right? So it just perceive and it decides and it take action, and it place an order, or book a ticket, or book your favorite hotel, anything. It can be done using this browser. So these are just two use cases which I have shown you, but there are so many things which can be done using this browser. So please, you can explore this. This is available for free for downloading. Of course, if you want to use unlimited version, you may have to pay for it. I think there will be pricing option, but for a basic user, this can be used at free of cost. Okay, so this is about the Comet browser, and of course, as you all know about the Perplexity AI chatbot, right? So which I have bookmarked here. which can also be used if you want to, even that this AI this is available everywhere. You can use it in the Chrome browser also. But since Comet is from Perplexity, I just wanted to show you this. Here also, I didn't log in anything. You can also log in, or you can just click on skip for now, and then you can directly use the AI chatbot. Okay, so this is a brief introduction about the Comet browser. So if you like it, please like the video and share it across your friends, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.